Good morning, traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. I think the advice today is pretty simple: stay out of the market. So the USA just announced that there's a travel ban from Europe into the US, and as a result, oil crashed 5%. And it looks like the Dow and probably most of the US markets are going to hit limit down now. So that basically means that those markets will shut down when they fall more than when they fall 5%, not more than 5%. And then we have to wait for the US Open. And what happened on Monday was we fell a further 3 or 4%, and then the market went into a halt again, and then we fell a little bit more, and then buyers stepped in. So yeah, if you're trapped with longs here, it's going to cost you a lot of money. Right now, there is definitely going to be a gap down. We're sitting at the moment with, let's pull up the charts. So oil's down 5%. Rand dollar 16.44 at the moment, and 10 cent is down 4% right now, following the US markets. US futures pretty much on average down 4.8%. So they're about to hit limit down. I wouldn't be trying to chase anything on those markets right now. Okay, so expect another couple of 1,000-point day, I would think. And if you are short, you're going to have quite a big payday. But yeah, if you're trapped long, you've got a little bit of a problem coming your way today. There's no real... I just want to pick up some levels here. That's too close. So there's no real levels here, if you look at it. I suppose what we could be doing, and I'm picking them up off the weekly, even if we go to the monthly, we've got this pretty big zone here, and the zone that we were looking at yesterday, I think, is going to be breached. So trend is very strong to the downside, so I think you should be looking to short any rally. And unfortunately, there are no rallies at the moment of this market, and I can't even give you a guesstimate on what exactly we can look at. I mean, even looking at the monthly, technically we should be finding some kind of support in this area, and I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, so yeah, it's really topsy-turvy at the moment. My only advice for you right now is stay well away from this market. Unless you are short, then you're probably going to cash in quite handsomely. I think the one thing that we can look at here is this measured move would probably be a decent target to the downside. And just look to the left just to see what we can find. We're going to have to find, or we have to go back quite some time. Okay, so first thing is there's a gap there. Okay. We do have another gap further down. There's one there. And then we do have another one even further down. So, well, we've actually got two here. Okay, so if I just pull that back to the hour, I'll give you some idea of what we're looking at here. So a bit of a consolidation zone at the moment. Trend is still down, and by the looks of things, we're heading somewhere between 41,645 and 44,71. So between 42,000 and 40,500 or 40,400 is what we probably should expect here. Okay, so from where we are now, that's a good 3,000 odd points. Okay, so I think for me, I'm staying well away from this today. I'm not going to try to catch any longs or shorts. It's going to be extremely volatile, And I don't think you're going to do yourself any favors trying to jump in and out of this at the moment, especially not with the US market. It's probably going to go into to limit down and get shut down shortly. Okay, so my advice really is sit on your hands and wait for a decent setup. Okay, anyway, guys, no, that doesn't help anybody, but that's what it is. Catch up with you later. Cheers for now.